If you're over 40 and your fat loss has hit a wall, this is for you. I'm breaking down simple science-backed moves to reignite your metabolism. No crash diets, no gimmicks. First, protein is your metabolism's best friend. Aim for 25 to 35 grams per meal. Eggs and Greek yogurt at breakfast, chicken at lunch, tofu at lunch, fish at dinner, lentils at dinner. Why? Protein preserves muscle, and muscle is your metabolic engine, even at rest. Second, lift things. 2 to 3 full-body strength sessions a week. Squats, hinges, pushes, pulls, 8 to 12 reps, 2 to 4 sets. You're not trying to bodybuild, you're trying to signal your body to hang on to muscle and burn more all day. Third, walk like it pays the bills. Target 7,000 to 10,000 steps daily. Low-intensity movement burns calories without frying your recovery, and it quietly adds up. Fourth, prioritize sleep like it's a supplement. 7 to 9 hours. Poor sleep bumps hunger hormones, tanks willpower, and slows recovery. Keep your room cool, dark, and boring. Screens out, routine in. Fifth, front load your day. Eat most of your calories earlier, when insulin sensitivity is better. Solid breakfast and lunch, lighter dinner. Try a 10-hour daytime eating window, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., only if your energy and mood stay stable. Sixth, lift, then walk, then eat. Lift, walk, eat. Stack your day so movement comes before your bigger meals. It improves how your body uses that fuel. Seventh, fiber is your satiety cheat code. Veggies, berries, beans, oats, chia. Aim for 25 to 35 grams daily. Your gut bugs will thank you, and your cravings will chill. 8. Manage stress on purpose. 2 minutes of box breathing, a 10-minute walk call, a quick journal brain dump. Lower cortisol helps your body let go of fat. Supplements? Optional. Creatine for strength and muscle. Vitamin D if you're low. Magnesium for sleep. But supplements are sprinkles. The cake is protein, lifting, steps, sleep. Here's your 7-day starter plan. Daily, 8K steps minimum. 30+ grams of protein at each meal. 25+ grams of fiber. MWF, 30-minute strength. Squats, rows, push-ups, hinges, carries. 2, thu, sat, 30 minutes brisk walk or cycling. Nightly, screens off 60 minutes before bed. Progress, not perfection. Track 3 numbers weekly. Body weight trend. Waist at belly button. Strength on your main lifts. If your waist shrinks and strength holds, you're winning. Even if the scale is stubborn, you're not broken. Your metabolism just needs the right signals consistently. Start today, keep it boringly repeatable, and let the results compound. Want my printable plan, grocery list, 10-minute workouts? Check the description. You've got this.